Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a file explorer crash after right click in Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So how to fix this? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, in the search box type msconfig and open a system configuration. After opening that, go to your services, and after that click on hide all Microsoft services. So click on it, and after that disable all. Click on apply and click on OK button. Exit without restart. After that, go to your right click and go to your task manager. After doing this step, open a startup files and disable unnecessary and unwanted apps. And after that, select it and disable it. After that, close it and restart your computer. After restarting your computer, the second is I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try second method. The second method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening this command, type a sfc space slash scan now and press enter. It's required of a few minutes to complete this process. So after completing the complete this process. Type exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.